Today I wanted to show you about a cool suite of tools that allows you to play around with what happens behind your favorite websites. These tools are available to you through Chrome and are really handy for those of you who are working on front-end development. So here I have a sort of mock-up web page that I'm working on, and I want to find some information about this. If I go up into my three vertical dots where the settings are at, I scroll down to More Tools, then down to Developer Tools. That opens up a bottom panel that allows me to see the code, both the HTML and the CSS, behind my page. As you explore through some of the features, you can see different aspects of it. You see all of your styles are over in the right hand side, and as you click on these little arrows, you can expand what is showing up on that particular page. So as I continue to scroll through my code a little bit, you can see that as I hover over things, certain things are on the page are sort of highlighted blue. That lets me know that that's the element we're looking at. So I'm going to open up a couple more triangles so we can scroll through more things. Alright, so as I go down, you can see that the blue box is changing. So right now I have just that image is there, and if I look a little bit more closely, I can see some information. I can see where that image is coming from. I can see the alt text for that image. I can see the size and some of the other styling. If I go down a little bit more, I can see I get over to a place with text. Now let's say you wanted to change a few things. You wanted to say, well, how would this look if I change my background color? Say I wanted to change my background color to black. I can do that in my developer tools and sort of get a preview of what that would look like. Right now you can see it has that black background. I can also change things like the padding and other styles if they're in line in the HTML in this left-hand sidebar. This is pretty cool because you can copy styles from great websites that you like just by opening up this pane. You can also change some of the text that's available there. Right now you can see it says Stephanie Hirsch. I can change it to say something else. I also can go over here to the right hand side and change some of my styles there. I'm going to click on Computed, and I'm going to scroll down to, so you can change your font down here, you can change your font weight, and so on and so forth. You can also see, I want to show you one other quick thing, is that you can change the styles in your style sidebar. I'm going to change the border here. There we go. With the click of a button. Now I know you're wondering, does this mean that I can totally mess with everybody's website and Google will not know what happened? No. So this is a temporary change that shows only on your instance. And so if you refresh your page, you'll see it goes back to whatever the code, the source code actually was. So that's how you can use developer tools. Depending on who you are, that might be more or less useful. Sort of shortcut really quickly before I go. If you right click on any individual element on the page, you can see Inspect down at the bottom of your menu that comes up. You click Inspect, it will open up that developer tools bottom area, except it will open it all the way to the thing that you chose to inspect. So here I didn't have to click on as many gray triangles in order to see exactly what I was interested in inspecting. So that's just a quicker way for you to get to some of the background features behind a few things that you particularly enjoy. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully you play around with it and learn a little bit more about the HTML and CSS behind the various websites you use.